In this video, we are going to discuss one more program in 8051 microcontroller using a assembly level language. The problem statement is: write an ALP for a 8051. The content of memory 25th location, 26th, 27th, 28th location should be added. Thinking that the result is in 8-bit only, it should be stored in the 29th location. Prerequisite: these three videos, if you have seen, it is well and good. Make a PC equal to 0, move the content of 25 to the A, add the content of 26 to the A, add content of 27 to the A, similarly add a content of 28 to the A and move the content of A to the 29 location. For this, the instructions are very simple. Move A, 25H, add A, 26H, add A, 27H, add A, 28. Last is move 29, A. So the snapshot after executing. Let us take one by one instruction. Now, when I execute move A, 25, what will happen? The 25 location content will move to the A register. Next, when I execute add A, 26, 26 location content will be added with the accumulator content. The result will be stored into the accumulator. When I execute, the answer result is available 33 in the accumulator, you can observe. When I execute add A, 27H, the content of memory location 27 is added with the accumulator content, and result what I get is 66. It will be copied to the accumulator and the result is visible to you after the simulation. When I execute add A, 28, 28 content is 44 is added with the accumulator, result will become AA. It should be stored into the accumulator and the result is visible to you. Move 29, A. The content of accumulator is moved to the 1D. Why it is 1D? Because I not mentioned H here, so hence its equivalent is 1DH. Another way how we can write is move 25 to the R0, move the content of memory pointed by R0 to the A register. It's an indirect addressing. Increment R0, add content of memory pointed by the R0 to the A register, increment R0. This I'll repeat continuously depending upon how many locations I want to add. Program is also very simple. Move R0, #25H, then move A, at R0, increment R0, add A, at R0, increment R0, add A, R0. So the same procedure I will follow unless all locations I will add. Now see the program how it executes. When I say move R0, #25, 25H will move to the R0. When I say move A, at R0, the content of memory 25th location move to the A register. I say increment R0, before that you can observe the content of accumulator. When I execute increment R0, the content of R0 is incremented by 1. When I execute add A, at R0, the content of location pointed by R0, its content and accumulator content is added and the result will be stored in back to accumulator. Again I will do the same procedure, increment R0, the same steps I will continue, that's all. These are the snapshot how it executes. Thanks for watching. For more information you can visit these links. If you like this, kindly share this video with others, and if you like, kindly subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and spending your time. Thank you.